So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you disk write error on your Steam. Now in order to get that fix, all you need to do is to just simply right click on the Steam menu, Steam icon, and either from here or you can just simply open the Steam icon and then click on the show open file location. Then again right click over there and here you'll find this option of open file location as well. Again click over there. Now, make sure that the Steam on this specific folder of the Steam that is right there is not selected as the read only thing. Now, let's say if I right click over there and click on properties, inside here, make sure that the read only is not ticked in the attribute section. Now, once you do it, hit OK, you'll definitely get your issues solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.